it's me, Minion, and today I'm going to show you how to find the area of this rectangle. So we have a 4 feet by 6 feet rectangle, and we are going to find the area of this rectangle. So we're going to do this by looking at this formula up here. It says A equals L times W, and this means area equals length times width. So if I look down here at these numbers, we have 4 feet, which is the length of this rectangle. And we have 6 feet, which is the width of this rectangle. Okay, so now I'm going to use these numbers and substitute them in for the letters. So we have 4 feet, remember that's the length, times 6 feet, which is the width, and that gives us our area of 24 feet squared. And put that square there because we're talking about area. So squared, and that is the area of the rectangle. It is 24 feet squared. So that is how you can find the area of a rectangle. I hope you learned from this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!